At a personal level, what is your financial net worth?
590 million, Honorable Chairman.
How is it made up?
I have buildings in Nairobi, 3 buildings in Eastlands, specifically Chigo Road. I have another building in the Pangan area. I have a building, an apartment in Mirimani. I have an apartment at Kirereswa and another one at near Yaya Center. Chairman, I also have an apartment in Mombasa, Sansu area. I also have apartments at Ngong. I also have a piece of land which is rightly over quarter acre, where there's a car passer along Ngong Road. I also own a plot, is not built yet in Kisii town. I also have 30 acres of land in Kisii. It's 590. I own vehicles. I own a Mercedes-Benz and a V8. Yes.
They're all within the 590 million?
Yes, Honorable Chairman.
Okay. Now we'll open the conversation with you.